Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Besam number 330000227. This is an SW100 Arm Adapter, and removing it from the packaging, this is what we're looking at. Okay, to your shaft, to your arm, you'll have a cap, and then your bolt to connect it all together. This is for an SW100 operator. There's more than one SW100 operator, to be sure. Besam has a really neat IG, I think it's an SW200 though, in-ground operator, which is really pretty fascinating because what you're dealing with is automatic operators that are concealed like you'd have in a floor closer. So that's really fascinating work that they've got there. So let's take some basic dimensional properties of this item just for the sake of archiving it. Overall length of the adapter, 1.559 is the overall. Outside diameter of the body, 1.306. Outside of the teeth, 1.09. Outside diameter down here, 0.851 diameter. And then of that overall length, the smaller portion represents 0.796. The length of the bolt from the underside of the head to the end of the screws, 2.354 from the underside of the head to the end of the threads. Then the outside diameter of this is 0.313. I've got to believe that this is a metric thread, Besam being a company headquartered outside of the United States, and I don't know what that thread style is. It looks awfully fine to be 5/16 18. Okay, but nonetheless, this video is to help describe it visually and dimensionally, which we've done. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Besam products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog and other encyclopedic documents that we would keep there, wiring diagrams, owner's manuals, and things of that nature. Any questions on the Besam 330000227 SW100 Arm Adapter or any other Besam product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.